GPU settings that actually matter for Windows gaming. Your graphics driver comes with a control panel containing dozens of options, most of which do nothing useful on a modern system. Here are the ones that genuinely change your experience. First, the global versus per game distinction. Set sensible defaults globally, then override individually for specific titles because one setting rarely suits everything. Second, vertical sync. Turning it off reduces input delay but produces tearing. Leaving it on does the opposite. If you have a variable refresh rate monitor, enable that instead and cap your frame rate just below the maximum. Third, low latency or anti-lag modes, which reduce the queue of prepared frames and genuinely help in fast games. Fourth, texture filtering quality, where the performance setting gains a little at a small visual cost. Fifth, power management mode, which stops the card downclocking mid-game, and leave effects like ambient occlusion to the game's own settings.